This is the best Ethereum crypto arbitrage strategy that you ever see anywhere in the internet space. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best Ethereum crypto arbitrage strategy that you can use to earn more than $2,000 every day from this crypto arbitrage strategy. Guys, stay with me in this video from the beginning to the end. Let me show you the best Ethereum crypto arbitrage strategy that you can use to make more than $2,000 every day without much stress. So my name is Ezekiel. I teach you how to make money from crypto arbitrage strategies and many other crypto tricks and hacks that you can use to earn money online with just simple steps. Guys, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so as you always stay updated when I post any awesome contents on how you can make money online from crypto arbitrage strategy and from crypto arbitrage trading. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this tutorial. Let me show you step-by-step guide on this best Ethereum crypto arbitrage strategy that you can use to earn huge and awesome money online with stress free. So the first thing you want to do now is come straight to this place. Now you can see different currencies. These are websites where you can use to track the prices of all cryptocurrencies, and you can also use it to track different exchanges where you can buy and sell these cryptocurrencies. So guys, you can see different coins in this website now. You can see Bitcoin, you can see Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. The strategy I want to show you now is Ethereum crypto arbitrage strategy. So what you want to do now, you can see Ethereum over here. Let's open it in a new tab. So when you open it in a new tab, now you can see it. This is Ethereum, and you can see the price of Ethereum, that is $2,039. The price fluctuates anywhere, so you can see it over here. It fluctuates, and what you want to do in this phase is you can see market. Just come straight to market, and you can see different exchanges, and you can see the prices, and you can see the pairs. You can see the prices in these exchanges. So what I want to do is I want to show you the best strategy you can use to hack into this market and excavate profit, right? So what you want to do now is just come down and click on this place now. So when you go down, you can see these exchanges. You can see the exchanges are still here and the pairs. So you can see that this is BTC exchange, and the price of Ethereum in this place now, you can see PPT Ethereum, you can see it is $9,839, while you can see that in Binance the price is $2,039, while it is $9,839 in HBTC. Guys, this is awesome. This is huge. And you see that if you are to trade this now, you cannot compare this price with this price, right? This is awesome. Just wait, let me show you the strategy now that I use to hack into the market and excavate profit in daily basis. So what you want to do is just click on this place and create an account with them in this exchange. Open it in a new tab. You can create an account with BTC. You see the price difference is, when you come to your calculator, you can see that $9,839. You see $9,839 minus $2,037. Let's see the price. Guys, this is huge. You can see the price difference is $7,802. Guys, this is awesome. So what you want to do now is come straight to BTC, create an account with them, and what I want to do is, when you create an account with BTC exchange, buy this in Binance. You can create an account with Binance, and when you buy this in Binance at the rate of $2,038 and sell it in BTC at the rate of $9,839, you see you'll be making a huge profit. You can just minus, let's say, the trading fee or the gas fee in this transaction will be something like $10. You can minus $10 from this. You can see minus $10. You see you'll be having a whooping $7,792. Guys, this is awesome. Let's assume we're able to repeat this up to 2 times in a day. You can see that $7,792 $90 multiplied by 3 times. Let's assume we are able to replicate it into 3 times. You see that you'll be making a whooping $23,000. Guys, this is awesome. I'm just rushing and start making profits with this Ethereum crypto arbitrage strategy that I just showed you now, and this is an update that you will not see anywhere in the internet space. Guys, I believe you really find this video helpful. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button so that you're always notified whenever I post or some update like this and many other easy ways to make money online. Guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.